We are
Sheehan.
And we're here to teach you a Gaelic song.
Ooh!
Now, if Caitlin is ready, last but not least, we're going to learn verse number 3.
Okay, so it's now time for verse 3. We've learnt 1 and 2 with Ellen and Ailey, and now we're going to put the final part to the song, so you can sing it from beginning to end. I'm going to sing it for you first, like the other girls did, and then we can learn the words together. Savoch enaich, nevenaich, en vach geser voel, falchere grajan senaich oken, wanen grasne schertien geen blue. Wanneer van Hanikunuas, wanneer van Hanikunuas. Okay, so as you've probably noticed, the first line is the same as the first line in verse 1 and 2, which is Savoch enaich, neuv enaich, which I'm sure you've already got. We'll practice again. Savoch enaich, neuv enaich. And the second line goes un vac ye, sur vo eil, sur vo eil. Try it with me. Un vac ye, sur vo eil. Great. The third line then goes falch erigrai, falch erigrai, an sy neu cho cyn. An sy neu cho cyn. Try that with me. Falch erigrai, an sy neu cho cyn. And then the next line, wa nym gras nish chien gein blo. We'll break that up. Wa nym gras. Try that. Wa nym gras nish chien gein blo. Nish chien gein blo. Perfect. The next line, Elwanjer von Hanik unuas. Elwanjer von Hanik unuas. One more time. Elwanjer von Hanik unuas. And as you already know, that line is repeated. So, from the start. Savoch enaich, neuv enaich. Un vac ye, sur vo eil. Falch erigrai, an sy neu cho cyn. Wa nym gras nish chien gein dlo. Elwanjer von Hanik unuas. Elwanjer von Hanik unuas. Perfect. Now we will sing it together. Savoch enaich, neuv enaich, en vach geser voel, falch erigrai an sy neu cho cyn. Wanen gras nish chien gein blo. Wanneer van Hanikunuas, wanneer van Hanikunuas.
Chashmata, shall we try it all together?
Let's do it.
Jisha? Savoch enaich, neuv enaich, sul machatal, emach vo arseilsh, Maris Josefen stapel fas, fares kunen lenne vlegrag, katal kunje vishe. Fadl gwnjevi shef.
Salachanich, nevanich, boachalien chonig en solas lebeisk, holiet en tar en voeilende glod. Fates farsenjen naioch grovor, kriast dem feser I hadlu, kriast dem feser I hadlu.
Savachanich, nevanich, en vachis servolein, falcheregrai ansenaich okein, wanen gras neshetchien geindlu, wanneer van hanikunuas, wanneer van hanikunuas.
We hope you enjoyed that as much as Caitlin enjoys a mince pie. Tiri draste!
Noleg chriel.